The Emirates Airbus A380 begins with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. Precision CNC lasers create the aircraft's massive fuselage panels. Hydraulic presses transform flat sheets into the A380's curved body. Every panel must match exact aerodynamic specifications. Automated riveting creates one of aviation's strongest structures. Every rivet is electronically inspected for safety. The fuselage frame provides the aircraft's immense strength. Laser systems verify every connection before fastening. The wing skins complete the aircraft's lifting surfaces. Every fastener is tightened to aerospace specifications. Complex hydraulic and electrical systems are installed inside each wing. Every connection is carefully inspected for reliability. The wing skins complete the aircraft's lifting surfaces. Every fastener is tightened to aerospace specifications. Complex hydraulic and electrical systems are installed inside each wing. Every connection is carefully inspected for reliability. The completed wings are carefully transported into final assembly. Laser guidance ensures perfect positioning. The iconic Airbus A380 airframe finally comes together. Next, the aircraft receives its engines, landing gear, and luxury Emirates cabin. The reinforced landing gear mounts prepare the aircraft for immense loads. Laser alignment guarantees structural precision. The Airbus A380's complex landing gear supports extraordinary weight. Hydraulic systems are connected for reliable operation. Hydraulic power controls the landing gear and flight systems. Every pressure circuit undergoes extensive testing. Hydraulic power controls the landing gear and flight systems. Every pressure circuit undergoes extensive testing. The engine pylons carry the enormous thrust of 4 jet engines. Alignment accuracy is measured to fractions of a millimeter. Each turbofan engine delivers incredible power and efficiency. Precision lifting ensures safe installation. All 4 engines are connected to the aircraft's control systems. Every connection is verified before testing. Digital diagnostics verify every engine before its first start. Advanced computers monitor thousands of performance parameters. The Airbus A380 cockpit combines advanced digital flight technology. Pilots receive precise information through fully integrated displays. Thousands of electrical connections bring the aircraft to life. Next comes the installation of the luxurious Emirates cabin. The aircraft now receives its lightweight cabin flooring. Composite materials provide strength while minimizing weight. Thermal insulation keeps passengers comfortable at cruising altitude. Soundproofing materials also reduce cabin noise. Premium interior panels give the cabin its elegant appearance. Every section is aligned with exceptional precision. The overhead ceiling integrates lighting and air distribution. Every electrical connection is tested immediately. Large overhead bins provide generous storage for travelers. Every compartment is tested for smooth operation. Seat rails provide the foundation for every passenger seat. Perfect alignment ensures easy cabin installation. The spacious economy cabin begins to take shape. Every seat is connected to onboard entertainment systems. Luxury business and first-class cabins define the Emirates experience. Premium craftsmanship is visible in every detail. The iconic onboard lounge offers a unique social space in flight. Every luxury feature is carefully assembled and tested.
The Emirates A380 interior is now fully equipped with world-class luxury. Next comes advanced electronics, painting, and final aircraft testing.
The Emirates A380 receives its advanced digital entertainment network. Fiber optic systems connect every passenger seat. Every passenger receives a personal entertainment system. Each display is tested before final approval. Smart LED lighting enhances passenger comfort throughout the journey. Multiple lighting scenes are programmed into the aircraft. Safety equipment is carefully installed throughout the aircraft. Every emergency system must meet strict aviation standards. Pressure seals ensure the aircraft remains airtight at cruising altitude. Every door and window is precisely inspected. A flawless finish begins with meticulous surface preparation. The aircraft is cleaned before protective coatings are applied. A protective primer shields the aircraft from harsh environments. Coating thickness is continuously monitored. The brilliant white finish forms the foundation of the Emirates livery. Robotic painting ensures a flawless coating. The world-famous Emirates livery is carefully applied. Every logo and color is inspected for perfection. The Emirates Airbus A380 now wears its iconic livery. Next, every onboard system will undergo rigorous testing before flight. The Emirates Airbus A380 now wears its iconic livery. Next, every onboard system will undergo rigorous testing before flight. Computer-controlled pumps balance fuel throughout the aircraft. Every fuel circuit is verified before engine startup. The auxiliary power unit supplies essential onboard power. It prepares the aircraft for engine ignition. The advanced flight deck comes alive with digital systems. Thousands of onboard computers complete self-checks. The first engine starts under constant electronic monitoring. Every performance parameter is carefully analyzed. All 4 engines now operate together for the first time. Engine performance is compared in real time.
The engines are tested under higher power settings. Engineers monitor vibration, temperature, and thrust.
Every flight control surface is tested for smooth movement. Hydraulic systems respond instantly to pilot commands. The massive landing gear completes repeated deployment tests. Every locking mechanism is verified before flight. The Emirates Airbus A380 moves under its own power for the first time. Next comes flight testing and its spectacular Dubai AirShow presentation.
The Airbus A380 undergoes a high-speed taxi evaluation. Engineers verify braking and directional control.
A detailed inspection confirms the aircraft is ready for flight. Every critical component is checked one final time.
Flight crews complete the final pre-flight checklist. The Emirates A380 is cleared for its test flight. The world's largest passenger aircraft takes to the skies. The first flight confirms years of engineering excellence. The A380 demonstrates stable flight characteristics. Every control system is evaluated during the test flight. The luxurious Emirates cabin performs flawlessly in flight. Passenger comfort systems operate exactly as designed.
The successful landing completes the aircraft's flight evaluation. Engineers prepare to review all recorded data.
Thousands of flight parameters are carefully analyzed. The aircraft successfully meets performance requirements. With testing complete, the aircraft is prepared for its public debut. The Emirates A380 shines at the Dubai AirShow.
The completed Emirates Airbus A380 is ready to impress visitors worldwide. Next, we'll explore its engineering details before final delivery.
The Emirates Airbus A380 showcases precision engineering from every angle. Every panel reflects meticulous manufacturing quality. The distinctive cockpit design blends advanced technology with aerodynamic efficiency. Every surface is finished to exact aerospace standards. The massive turbofan engines deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. Their precision-built components undergo rigorous inspection. The A380's enormous wings generate remarkable lift and stability. Composite materials help reduce weight without sacrificing strength. The landing gear is engineered to support one of the world's largest passenger aircraft. Every component is designed for durability and safety.
The economy cabin combines comfort with advanced entertainment. Every seat is designed for long-haul travel. Business class offers privacy and comfort for long-distance travel. Premium materials enhance every passenger experience.
The first-class suites represent Emirates' premium travel experience. Luxury and privacy are integrated into every detail.
The iconic onboard lounge is one of the A380's signature features. It offers passengers a unique space to relax during flight.
The Airbus A380 flight deck combines advanced automation with pilot control. Every system is designed for reliability and operational safety.
The aircraft completes its final engineering review. Every inspection confirms readiness for service.
Certification confirms the aircraft meets aviation requirements. The Emirates A380 is officially ready for delivery. Final preparations ensure the aircraft is ready for its new operator. The completed A380 awaits its official handover.
The Emirates Airbus A380 is officially delivered. It now begins its journey in commercial service.
From raw materials to the skies, the Emirates Airbus A380 represents extraordinary engineering. Thank you for watching this complete factory cabin and airframe presentation.